Let's do an analysis video.
Jokey got the sauce, bitch.
Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Vussy Supreme Traders. It's your boy Vussy Magz, the one and only. Listen, as today I want to give you guys an analysis video. You feel me? We're gonna do a short, straight to the point analysis video today. So if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, comment, click the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any future drops. That's if you want though, but without taking too much of your time, let's get into it, fam. And so this is where we're gonna start today. We're gonna look at the USDCAD first, you feel me? So looking at this chart right now, we're on the H4 time frame. We're gonna go to the H1, you feel me? Going to the H1 time frame, I'm also seeing a signal, but I'm gonna tell you guys what's up, you feel me? So going on to the H1 time frame, we have an uptrend. As you can see, we have this clearly defined. What I liked about this one basically is the definition of the highs, the swing highs and the swing lows, you feel me? So the structure we're talking about here is very visible. You can see every time it makes a swing high or swing low, or a higher swing high, higher swing low compared to this one, and the price keeps every high, like with the swing highs and the swing lows, the price just keeps going higher and higher, you feel me? And also guys, excuse me if there's an echo in this video. I'm just filming in a different kind of setting today, you feel me? But either way, if you want a money man, you're gonna have to watch the video either way, you feel me? So this is where the price is at now, you feel me? So we already established that the highs have been getting higher, the lows have been getting higher, right? Every time, so that's our formula for the uptrend. The highs are getting higher, the lows are getting higher also, you feel me? So every time the price goes against the trend, meaning every time the price pushes down, we take that as a reversal, you feel me? So we had a reversal here and we draw a reversal line, you feel me? If you want to know more about all these kind of things, you might have to DM me so you can get the VIP status and you'll learn all these principles, you feel me? But we also had another reversal here, which we draw our reversal line also, you feel me? So basically what's going on now, price rejected to break below this trend line, as you can see, but was also signaled by this candlestick here that crossed, you feel me? So I sent out a signal this morning at this entry price, you feel me? And we kind of saw the candlestick struggling, kind of saw the price struggling to gather momentum, you feel me? But I didn't panic because I know that at the same time, you have to think about the New York trading session, which only starts like this side. It only starts at around 4 or 5 o'clock, which is around now. So that's why if you start seeing volatility, for anyone who's in this trade with us, the VIP members, don't be surprised if you start seeing volatility in this market now, since we opened the trade in the morning, because at the same time, the New York session it's only started a few hours ago, you feel me? So from now onwards until like 8 o'clock or so, that's when we're gonna expect to see the most volatility in this one, right? Also, before I leave, so this is a buy, definitely a buy, based on the technical signals, you feel me? It's looking like a buy, so that's what's up. Let's go to the next one. So the next pair that we're gonna look at it at the EURAUD, you feel me? So the EURAUD, looking at it on the H4 time frame, you can kind of see that my priority here was to look at this uptrend that you're seeing here, where the swing low, swing high, high swing low, higher swing high, and then now it looks like we might get a higher swing low compared to the previous one, you feel me? So I don't know, maybe let's stretch out the structure on the H1 and see if we can get more definition. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the definition that we have now is way better than when we was trading on the H4, because on the H4, if I ask you if this zone is a high, a swing high, and then this is a swing low, swing high, like you can't really, like, you can tell where the swing highs and the swing lows are, but the structure is too condensed. I don't know if that's the right word, but it is what it is. So when you go into the H1 now, it kind of opens up all those semi-trends within the uptrend, you feel me? because from here to there it's a downtrend, you understand? So if we get a signal here to buy here, you feel me? Because now the way the price action is looking now, we have this key level here that I've highlighted for you guys. We have this key level. It was support, it was resistance, right? Resistance, resistance, 10 support, support again, you feel me? So here we at support, and we also have the trend line, you feel me? So that's what we're looking at now. We have a confluence of signals and stuff like that, because we have the support zone and also the trend line. So going into the H1 now, what would you do to trade this one? You feel me? I mean, the only reason I'm here is to show you how you could trade this one, you see, because right now what I'm seeing is a downtrend. You see what I'm saying? So the downtrend that I'm talking about is only these three tops that you're seeing. It's a high, low, high. It's a, okay, I'm just gonna put this here. So what I'm saying is, within our uptrend, what we have here is a swing high, lower swing high, and a lower swing high. So it's looking like a downtrend, right? So how I would trade this one, put a reversal line like this, you feel me, and wait on the H1 for a candlestick that's gonna do what? That's gonna break out and push to the upside, you feel me? And as we push to the upside, don't expect to get to the, don't expect a breakout, because you're seeing with the general way of with the general behavior of this price action or this chart, you can see that the swing highs keep getting lower and lower. So maybe you'd have your targets a little lower than the previous top, you feel me? All right, so let's go to the next one. We already said this one is looking like a buy also. Let's go to the next one. So what we're gonna look at now is the EURJPY on the H4 time frame, ladies and gentlemen. You already know what it is. The structure on this one is just perfect, you feel me? Like, it's just perfect. All I'm seeing here is a money chart, ladies and gentlemen. I'm seeing a money chart, you feel me? It's just gonna require a little patience, and if you listen and if you keep watching, I'm gonna explain what I mean by that, you feel me? So we have our swing low, swing high, higher swing low, higher swing high, higher swing low, higher swing high. So what can you expect? A higher swing low. It also happens that we're approaching the trend line, you feel me? We have our reversal line here, we have our reversal line. We got to break out of the reversal line, and you see the price spiked up. Another breakout of this reversal line would mean we can scale in and hopefully see the price, or buy into strength and see the price take us deeper into profit as it goes high and high and high. From so all these trades, obviously the signals are gonna come out, you feel me? All my VIP members, you already know what it is, man. I'm gonna send all these things in there, you feel me? The USDCAD so far seems to be doing the most, but not the most is in profit. It just seems to be lacking the momentum still. But listen, as you can see from this analysis, we have way more charts and way more plans to get this back, you feel me? So going back to the EURJPY now. This is one of the simplest charts, because the only thing you gotta wait for is a breakout of this reversal line, and you're gonna scale in, because as if you get that breakout here, that means your like the risk of your trade is gonna be so low, because basically your swing low is gonna be your SL, and then you're gonna find places where you must set your targets. But this is gonna be a low risk trade for me, because if a market is gonna turn here, if you're gonna buy here, you can only set your SL maybe here, and at the same time your trade has so much potential compared to where you're gonna put your SL, you feel me? So let's go to the last pair. So we're gonna look at the last currency pair in the building. We're looking at the USD ZAR H4, ladies and gentlemen. So the USD ZAR basically, yeah, no, we're moving sideways, but I like the way the structure is looking, you feel me? It's looking like we might just get a breakout anytime soon, you feel me? So on the H4 time frame, the structure, because you know structure over everything, you feel me? SOE. I'm gonna put that on my thing. That's a structure over everything. SOE, my niggas. You feel me? So we have our high, swing high, low swing low, lower swing high, you feel me? And then we have our swing low here and a higher swing low. So the price, basically the lows are going higher, the lows are going higher, the highs are going lower. So we end up being in this sideways movement where the price is running out of space to actually move in between, you feel me? So what we can do is we can just wait until we see the price pick a side, either choose to push up to the upside or push down to the downside. This is also a simple as chart. All you just need to do is to just also highlight the key levels. We said key levels are areas where you have to have more than 2 points of contact, you feel me? So with this one, it's basically 1, 2, 3, you feel me? It's only this area right here. Then we're a fake out here. So I feel like it should have been adjusted, because I'm also trying to figure out what the hell was going on when I drew this thing. You understand? But I get it now, you feel me? What happened was, this is the first touch, this is a fake out, third touch, fourth touch, you feel me? With this one now, we had this resistance here, support, turn support again, you feel me? So you can expect to see the price do something, because that's the level we're the closest at right now, you feel me? Alright, so basically that's all we got for today's video, you feel me? If you found value from this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, you feel me? Also, I'm going to be going through comments to kind of make videos that are catered to you feel me? I wanna engage with you guys a little more than what we're doing right now. So I'm going to be going through all the comments. If you want me to tackle a specific topic, subject, or whatever, just leave it in the comment section. I'm gonna check it out. You feel me? I'll see you guys next time. It's your boy Vussy Magz signing out, and peace out.